We would like to introduce you this is LED desk lamp made from LED bulb. So each bulb can stand for 15,000 hours. Very little emissions, very safe and green technology. The idea for this lamp actually, we want to reduce ceiling lights consumptions because when we use this light, we're going to only use cater for own stations. LED desk lamp also fashionable. They also have a few options. Okay, it's not fashionable. Okay, and we have also a few options here. In terms of design, it's very modern. Also LED light. The idea of using this lamp is we're going to save on the ceiling lighting. So when we work on the table, we just use our own light. So this we can save on this ceiling lighting.